part 1 everything? What does that mean? Yo, welcome. This is Xavier. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be watching Everything Everywhere All at Once. This film came out in March 2012, and it was written and directed by the Daniels, Daniel Kwan and Daniel Scheinert. And it's one of the nominees for Best Picture. And so I've been meaning to watch this, and so this finally gave me the impetus to watch it. Cause I've heard good things about it. It's like the better version of Doctor Strange or something like that, cause it's a deal with multiverses and stuff. I'm not gonna make this long or anything. It just says this is something that says. A Chinese immigrant gets unwillingly embroiled in an epic adventure where she must connect different versions of herself in a parallel universe to stop someone who intends to harm the multiverse. Okay, and I note the stars of this film are Michelle Yeoh, Kwan, Stephanie Hsu, Jamie Lee Curtis, I see here James Hong, and Jenny Slate. So apologies if I messed up any of those names, but I think I pronounced them mostly correct. I don't know. But yeah. So, oh yeah, Michelle Yeoh, she's been like a star for decades. Same for Jamie Lee Curtis. I think Stephanie Hsu is a newcomer. Kai Kwan, he was in a few movies back in the 80s, but then mostly he's been behind the scenes until this movie, cause he got his back. Recently saw him in like the Hollywood Reporter panel discussion things where the actors, directors, producers, all that. Yeah, right. So that's it. Let's get into it. This is an interesting opening shot. So I guess they're a family. Stephanie, Key, okay, and then Michelle. Ooh, me gusta. I like that. I like it. I like it. Nice choice.
我知道你想把爸爸的 party 弄得很完美，当他看到你拥有幸福的家庭和成功的事业，他肯定会为你骄傲的啊。
神经病！你明知道爸不会这样看我们的。
但至少是你和我都看到的，不是吗？
Hey, that's a good point. It's what you think that really matters in the end.
We talk later.
I guess you do talk later. Oh. Divorce. Damn. Wait. Interesting. Right, interesting what they were talking about there. About the family and everything, where they're talking about divorce also. Wow.
Hi, Evelyn. Mrs. Wong.
Hey, Mom. I only cook enough food for 3 people. Now I have to cook more.
It's Becky.
Okay.
You know, he doesn't have to stay.
Who's he?
Becky,
Becky's a she.
you know me. I always mix up he, she. In Chinese, just one word. Ta, so easy. And the way you two are dressed, I'm sure I'm not the only one calling him he. I mean her, him. Ay.
Mom, this is literally what it's always
Wrong
like.
white paint.
I know you haven't always liked Becky, okay?
I like that.
The wrong right paint.
How can I help you?
Hold on, I can't hear you. Just hold on.
How can I help you?
Yeah, I'm here to pick up some shirts. I called like 3 times.
Okay, give me your ticket. I find for you.
No, I have the ticket. She's.
Oh yeah, I loved her in Parks and Rec as the sister of Jean Ralphio.
客人的衣服不见了，02在哪儿？
Sorry, it was too crowded here, so I moved some upstairs. I think the clothes are happier there.
The clothes are happier.
You know, 2 years of meeting, she puts a lien on our laundromat. And you know what your father does?
Oh. Oh.
Every day for 5. 我真的不知道，没有我他怎么活？
Ah, interesting.
I love this.
And Gong Gong is eternally ashamed until he forgets it all and then he dies. Or you don't come with me and then he still dies. What?
What are you saying?
That was a joke.
That
Not a very funny joke, honey.
was not very funny at all.
他是我的
好朋友，老友嚟㗎。
Mom.
Actually, I'm actually not doing that. This is my one life.
拜拜。
Big nose.
You have to try and eat healthier.
That's not what she wanted to say.
Think fat.
Yikes. What? Damn. Boy. She knows she messed up. Part 1, everything? What does that mean?
Come on.
You may be in grave danger.
Why would I go into the gender?
Not now.
Oh,
哎呦 why you download all these apps on my phone?
You're gonna feel a slight pressure in your head.
你真的疯了。
No one can know. Don't even talk to me about this because I won't remember.
But I don't.
oh, okay.
哇，这个电梯好快哦。
Is she gonna go in the closet?
Mrs. Wang, are you with us?
Ah, Jamie Lee Curtis is the auditor. Okay, cool.
This is a receipt.
Yeah, that's what
A
it is.
receipt.
Yeah, it's a receipt.
Technician, I'm sorry. What is Watsu?
It's a water massage.
She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it. Hold that thought and press the green button. Okay. Don't forget to breathe. Very important, I bet.
What's happening?
I'm talking to my ex-husband. Like I said to you before, we're mingling.
I'm another version of him from another life path, another universe. I'm here because we need your help.
Okay, what they need is...
Whole time to help you.
There's a great evil that has taken root in my world, and it's begun spreading its chaos throughout the many verses. Taken right now. Got to...
Mrs. Wang, hello.
Interesting. So the other word can just pop in.
Do you see these?
Dildos? No, not dildos. Plugs.
A lot of bullshit. Excuse my French.
Those are plugs, ma'am.
I'm going to bring my.
Sorry.
She was gonna come.
Evelyn, are you paying attention?
I cannot talk now. Unless you can help me with my taxes. What is gross necklaces?
I know you. My dear Evelyn, I know you. With every passing moment,
Oh, whoa.
every rejection, every disappointment has led you here. To this moment. Don't let anything distract you from it.
Okay, brother. Big words.
I will be in contact soon.
I think my other husband is messing up the audit.
Maybe we can look at all the receipts again. Trust no one.
You can go.
What?
Last chance.
Oh, tomorrow is better.
Thank you. 6 p.m.
So you know about this?
当然了，这是我的。
Was you like you was in the elevator?
Yeah, I was in the elevator.
Come back next week. Not ready to fight.
Wait, is that the other her?
Switch shoes to what?
To do it, phone her. I said I would know when it is the time to fight. She was coming after us.
我是在说我们的事啊。
Yes.
我只是希望你和我。I told you to stay low and out of sight.
Oh, now you're here.
What? All right. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Okay, I see now why Jackie Chan was supposed to get this role originally. Ugh.
Oh no, Craig! Fuck.
Ugh. Whoa.
You underestimate how the smallest decision can compound into significant differences over.
Okay, so
Every tiny decision creates another branching universe. Another. Were you not paying attention before?
no, she was not.
You're just very bad at explaining.
Okay, so Joy in the other universes is the villain.
We forgot my father.
Don't worry. We're monitoring him. He's safe.
No, are you sure?
Yes. Two guards coming this way. I'm a signal. Try to blend in.
神经病. Why don't you get your Evelyn to do this?
She's dead, obviously.
Evelyn is dead.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Oh my God! What's going on? Help us! Help us! Oh God!
Something is off. Your clothes never wear as well the next day. Your hair never falls in quite the same way. Even your coffee tastes wrong. Why else would we risk everything to get you out of here?
Yeah, good point. You gotta be really Oh.
Oh. There you are.
Oh, Miss Deirdre.
Here we go. 1. There's 2.
Ugh. Ooh. Oh, that was close.
The stochastic path algorithm is fueled by random actions. Tell her you love her and mean it.
Are there any other jumping pads?
The next best paths are break your own arm or take a nap. You're not sleepy, are you?
Professor Love.
Evelyn, wait! No! I need to find the right Evelyn. And this one, it's not the one.
No, wait! Let me try again!
Ah, come on, bro. Whoa, that's so cool.
跟我走吧，将来一定会好的。我们可以自力更生，走自己的路，好吧？
Ah, she did it.
Oh, I'm so happy to be here today. Evelyn.
That's basically Michelle Yeoh. Ooh.
看看我的生活，如果没有你是多么的美好。It was beautiful.
Okay.
我说的话，我要跟你走。
Oh, damn. Like, he's right there in front of you.
Listen, you're only using the other worlds to acquire special skills. Do you understand? If you fall for the temptations, you invite contradiction, chaos. The clay pot could shatter and you could die. Or far worse.
What's worse than that?
What can be worse than death?
Yeah, that. What's worse?
We should keep moving until reinforcements.
No.
Answer a question.
You were incredible.
Hey, no. Back to your world, babes. Back to your world. Don't do this.
你不是去了美国吗？你不是很穷的吗？
还好，我挺幸运的。
Oh, so his life got better too without her. Our villain enters. What?
Can physically be here. But what you meant to say is you're not allowing me to be here.
Yeah, those are two different things, to be honest. Yeah.
You mean walk through you?
Yeah, you. Can't let you do that either.
You with the cat!
See, I can walk through you. Like this.
Damn.
Juju to booty.
What is?
Don't make me fight you. I'm really good.
I don't believe you.
You lost all these skills. You lost the skills, babe.
Oh.
What did you jump?
What the?
Open up.
Is she gonna break her fingers or something? A donut?
I'm gonna put everything on a bagel.
Oh, it's a bagel. Okay, sorry. Thought it was a donut.
Everything.
The truth. What is the truth?
Nothing matters.
Yeah, that's a good conclusion from everything on the bagel.
If nothing matters, then all the pain and guilt you feel for making nothing of your life goes away.
I'm no good at anything.
Exactly. I've seen thousands of Evelyns, but never an Evelyn like you. You have so many goals you never finished, dreams you never followed. You're living your worst you.
Oh, damn. Okay.
You're capable of anything because you're so bad at everything.
That's kinda messed up. But also kinda cool.
You are like puppets. You know, puppets? You can do things you normally cannot do. It's like that movie. That movie.
Okay, what are you talking?
The one, the
Rakakuni.
What?
Ratatouille? Ratatouille.
The one with the shell. And he makes bad food. Pui. And then this raccoon sit on his head.
Isn't that a raccoon?
And then he cooks good food.
A rat.
You mean Ratatouille?
Ratatouille? I like that movie.
No. Rakakuni. With the raccoon.
Okay. What are you doing?
Hey, I almost had it. Oh, come on.
You are already under her spell.
Holy shit, he has it gone. Everyone stay calm. I think it's time for a family discussion.
No.
Just like
What the fuck?
She has given us no choice. We must kill her before she becomes another Jobu Topake.
Joy.
What?
Joy. I know
See?
you have these.
See? That's bad. That's bad. Oh, is this gonna be part 2 where she becomes everything everywhere? All at once? Ugh! face. Yeah.
See? Not that. Go.
Sorry, baby.
What, is she gonna chop the dog? Ugh.
Yeah, I think she needs to do something weird again.
What's he doing? Oh my god, he's trying to stick it in his nose.
No, no, no.
Mom, just blow on his nose!
What? It'll make him involuntarily scream and do weird noises.
That's true, Evelyn. It's really weird.
Yeah, that's really weird. Yo! What the? Okay, this is. Oh my God. Yeah, show that to me, please. Okay, kinda weird. Ooh. That had to hurt.
What happened? Was I Raccoon Wayman again?
Yeah. But Wakun Wayman is no more.
Raccoon Lemon is dead.
He is.
Don't leave. Help! Please! Help! Help!
Uh.
结局好悲伤哦，还挺有趣。
Oh, okay. I was thinking, wait, is this the other movie? Is it the other movie? Yeah, okay. It is the other movie. I mean, yeah, it is the movie within the movie. That thing. Cause I noticed it earlier with the Yeah, I noticed earlier with the movie poster that it was a movie of a similar version of this movie.
Oh, no.
You.
The raccoon. Oh, we're at part 2 now. Okay. My bad for thinking part 2 was gonna be earlier.
You see it all, don't you?
She does.
Punch my face.
Oh, stop!
Wow.
What's all this for?
Why was I looking for you?
Yeah, but where are you looking for her? For a companion? Oh, this is at the party. Oh, in her universe.
I was just looking for someone who could see what I see.
Oh yeah, like I said, a companion.
Captured moments, contradictions, and confusion.
Here are the papers.
Ah, googly eyes. Damn. So the old man was right. He was right to try and stop her. Ah. Just be a rock. Wow. Ooh. Language.
You know why I actually built the bagel? It wasn't to destroy everything. It was to destroy myself. I wanted to see if I went in, could I finally escape?
Oh.
Like actually die.
Okay, I got you. I get what she's saying.
My silly husband. Probably making things worse.
Ignore it.
Okay, you can let her go.
He's making things better.
I know you're all fighting because you're scared and confused. I'm confused too. All day. I don't know what the heck is going on. But somehow, it feels like it's all my fault. 我总是看到事情好的一面。
No, it's not your fault, bro. I really doubt that.
我理解到你不是一个服输的人，我又何尝不是？只是我们选择的处理方式不一样。
Yeah, in a different way. Okay.
Did you see that? What song is that?
Oh. I get it. Feeling a good thing.
Yeah, she is.
I don't care if you come with me. Enjoy your life.
Oh, that's why they have the circles on their head. It's the bagel.
That's not true. You're not unlovable.
You're not unlovable. What are you talking about?
There is always something to love. Even in a stupid, stupid universe where we have hot dogs for fingers, we get very good with our feet.
She changed them all to googly eyes.
What are you doing?
she
I'm learning to fight like you.
she's being her Neo self, like from the Matrix, changing the rules. Hey, kind of different, but oh, okay.
We're all useless alone. It's a good thing you're not alone. Let's go rescue your silly raccoon.
What is the old guy gonna do though?
你點可以嘅？當然你點可以咁容易放棄我嘅？
Yeah, exactly, bro.
唔中意，唔接受，都唔緊要，因為呢個就係我。
Exactly. Be proud of yourself.
Aimless, a mess, just like a mother. But now I see, it's okay that she's a mess.
It is. It truly is.
The big goal is where we finally find peace, Evelyn. Calling me Evelyn!
She's a mom. Ah, that's so cool.
I don't want to hurt anymore, and for some reason, when I'm with you, it just hurts the both of us. So let's just go our separate ways, okay?
No, you can't.
Just let me go.
She won't. She will not. Because you're her daughter. She can't let you go.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait. You are getting fat. And you never call me, even though we have a family plan. And it's free. You only visit when you need something. You got a tattoo, and I don't care. If it's supposed to represent our family, you know I hate tattoos. And of all the places I could be, why would I want to be here with you? Yes, you're right. That doesn't make sense.
Evelyn, 别说了，够了。
Let her finish.
Yeah, she has a point. She's getting
Maybe it's
somewhere.
like you said.
What is she
Maybe
saying?
there is something out there, some new discovery that will make us feel like even smaller pieces of shit. I will always,
Love? You?
always want to hear with you.
Because she loves her.
Then I will cherish these few specks of time. Push the button. There you go. Feel like I'm 14.
So awkward.
Yeah, that's fine. Doesn't matter. If it is. If it even is.
This suck.
Part 3. Interesting.
Evelyn, did you hear me?
Sorry. What did you say?
Oh yeah, the Russos! Alright, so that was Everything Everywhere All at Once. And I get it now. I get it. I truly do. No cap. I truly get it. I understand why people really, really like this movie. I see it. I'm not gonna compare it to the other movies because as of right now, I've only seen Top Gun Maverick. But yeah, it's a very good movie. I'm not gonna say it's my favorite movie ever, but it's different. But it's good that it's different, because here we get just a story about family, about love, wrapped in all sort of weirdness and powers and multi-universal mumbo jumbo that doesn't really matter in the end. Cause what really matters is to just enjoy the people we love. That truly is that's the message I'm getting from the film. It's very possible that nothing really matters. But are you gonna let that define you? Are you gonna let that define how you live? Or are we gonna take the message that Evelyn got, which is that find your thing and do you? It's basically like, so nothing's gonna be perfect. There's gonna be bad with the good, with the people you love, and as long as there's balance and hopefully more good than bad, come on. And that the bad is not really bad, but you just gotta let it rock, let it flow, go with it, enjoy it. Life is short. You really just gotta enjoy it when you can, cause you never know what's around the bend, what's around the river bend. You can't tell. So even if you're experiencing everything, everywhere, all at once, everything that is possible for you to experience, all you really can do is be present in where you are at that moment. And so if you're in this place experiencing joy, be there and experience the joy. If you're in this place experiencing sadness, be there and experience the sadness. If you're just in there being, man, just go through it, see me. Just go through it. Feel me? Yeah. Just go on, meditate and easy out. Live in the moment. Enjoy it. Wow, I really got that from the movie. It really sent a message, and I don't mind it telling me a message. Because it was that good. It was that good an experience. It was giving me a message. I don't know if that's a message the directors wanted to convey. On the director and writers, I think they're the same people. But that's what I got from it. And I am really thankful for that. Thank you. I truly enjoy this movie. I get it now. I really get it. I understand why. I understand why. I understand why people were so adamant about Stephanie Sue getting nominations. That's why this is why they wanted her to get nominations. Because she is brilliant. She knocked it out of the park. She's good. She's so good. I truly understand why people loved her in this. But everybody knocked it out of the park. Like people were complaining about Jamie Lee Curtis get nomination. But even then, she was great in her role, even though it wasn't as big as Stephanie's. And potentially I can see why it was kind of like some makeup nominations for her, but it's Jamie Lee Curtis, so I understand. But yeah, Stephanie did her thing. Chef's kiss, beautiful. But Michelle was really the star. She was the leading lady, and she killed it. She killed it. 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100. Knocked it out of the park. I was there with her in her journey. I was there with her in her journey, and I wanted her to experience. And I wanted to experience it along with her, and she carried me along with her. And for that, I'm truly ungrateful. Thank you, Michelle. Key, man, yeah. He sold it to me. He sold it. What a great comeback to acting. What a great comeback. He was good. He was so good. And the Daniels, whatever editing, all that they did, whatever story tweaks, whatever improvisations they allowed, whatever acting choices they went with, whatever writing changes they did, it worked. I really don't have a bad thing to say about this movie. I truly don't. I really do not have a bad thing to say. This is great. It might not be my favorite movie ever. But there's nothing I can say bad about it. It was entertaining. It was funny. It was intense. It was feelingsy. It gave me a journey. The actresses, the actors, they carried me along this journey. They were there with me. And the directors, they guided me along. And I'm proud to say I really liked it. I really did like it. Wow, this is like weighing on me, man. Yeah. You know when something just give you a little make it look think a little to me? Make it just all the vibes. What I meant. Yeah. Yeah, you just yeah. If you know, you know. And yeah, that's what this movie did to me. Yeah, it's really great. The acting, the cinematography, the directing, the writing, everything. Wow, everything. Sell off. It's given me a lot to think about for when I watch all of these movies. I don't think I'll be able to watch Women Talking though. Avatar: Way of Water. Hopefully I get to see that soon. I haven't seen it as of right now when I'm recording this in February. But yeah, Okay, Best Picture nomination. I cannot say it did not deserve it. It looks like it deserved it to me. Okay. Caveat: I did not see every movie that was released in 2022, but seeing just this, yeah, great. And those are my thoughts. I'm just gonna be waffling on for my ears. So yeah, those are my thoughts. I really enjoyed it. You would enjoy it too. Goodbye.